Hello there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you parents out there, especially those dealing with cloth diapers. We're talking about the best water softener for cloth diapers on the market, Calgon Liquid Water Softener. Calgon Liquid Water Softener is an essential laundry detergent booster that every parent using cloth diapers should know about. It's designed to tackle hard water and ensure your baby's cloth diapers stay fresh and clean. This Calgon water softener comes in a convenient pack of 2, each containing 32 ounces. It's a liquid formula, making it easy to use with your regular laundry detergent. Calgon is formulated to provide maximum limescale protection. It reduces the risk of breakdown in your washing machine and helps protect your investment. Hard water can wreak havoc on your laundry, especially cloth diapers. It can lead to mineral buildup in your washing machine, causing inefficiency and even breakdowns. Calgon Water Softener tackles these issues head-on, making sure your diapers come out looking pristine. It also helps prevent colors from fading quickly and keeps whites looking bright. Using Calgon is a breeze. Just add 1 capful along with your regular laundry detergent. If you have very hard water or large loads, you can safely use more. It can be used in both high-efficiency and front-load washing machines. And here's the best part. Calgon does not contain phosphates, so it's safe for septic systems. Adding Calgon to your wash not only gets your diapers cleaner but also makes them softer and more comfortable for your little one. It removes hard water minerals and detergent buildup, both visible and hidden parts of your washing machine. This not only prolongs the lifespan of your clothing and appliances but also ensures your diapers stay in great condition. So, there you have it, folks. Calgon Liquid Water Softener, the best water softener for cloth diapers. If you're tired of dealing with the effects of hard water on your laundry, especially those precious cloth diapers, Calgon is the solution you've been looking for. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments down below. We'd love to hear about your experience with Calgon or any other products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy parenting.